Thanks for being in Scientix TV. Hello everyone. Christmas is coming, and what is more fun than science experiments before holidays, especially when they are related to students' most favorite subject, rocketry. This is a very simple experiment. All we need is a Christmas paper cup, some alcohol, a plastic bottle, lighter, and some confetti. The steps are very easy, but we advise students to do this experiment with adult supervision. And now we're ready to start. For the preparation of the experiment, we have to open a small hole near the bottom of the bottle, approximately 5 millimeters wide, and we spray some alcohol inside the bottle about 10 times. We shake the bottle to more evaporate the alcohol, and we place the cup upside down on the bottle. Finally, we put some confetti at the top, and we are ready. We will light the fire close to the hole. 3, 2, 1, ignition. This happens because when the alcohol is burned, the combustion gases are vented through the holes of the bottle and forces the cup to fly